What's going on, folks? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Saturday night, the 18th of October, 7:10 in the evening. Going on an emergency service call. Yep, I lead by example, folks. I lead by example. Oh man, people left garbage on my bench. People are disgusting. I gotta admit, folks. I am not goosed right now. I am not. Today I drank, I did drink Gay Goose today. This morning. After praying services. And then I did about 25 laps. A lap is back and forth. So I guess I did 50 laps, right? And then I had a nice little nap. And then I woke up at around 4:30 and saw that I had an emergency service call on my schedule after the Sabbath. And now I'm going on that service call. We have a customer, an existing residential client. He's got a heating issue. We're going to go there and take care of him. And I'm going to talk to you on the way there. And I'm going to feed you food. Because I know you guys are hungry. What are these hoodlums doing? Hoodlums. So I know you're hungry. Hope everyone is having a blessed weekend. It's Saturday night. This guy's from Florida. Doesn't know how to fucking drive. Look at this. Come on, folks. There's a thing on the right called an accelerator. If you put your foot down on it, you go faster. What do you brake for? What was the purpose of braking? You saw that? There's no one there. There's no one there to brake. It's braking again, see? Look, he almost went parked, almost like hit the car. Some people are confused, I swear. Oh, they're confused. Some people shouldn't have a license, I swear. Anyway, I like to lead by example. I actually enjoy going out on service calls on Saturday night and on Sunday. Well, some Sundays. Not only do I enjoy fixing people's problems, you know, with their HVAC equipment, but you gotta admit, the money's fucking good. The money is really fucking good. You gotta admit. You know what? When you handle a service call and you're the boss and you're going out there on your own, you know all that fucking moolah goes right in your fucking pocket. And that is one of the joys of being the fucking boss. It really is. I love it. I absolutely do love it. There are times like when it gets slow, like in September. You know, the end of August, September, and beginning of October, where how the fuck am I going to make payroll? You know? Forget about paying the bills. How am I going to make payroll? But I got to tell you, as an I'm a firm believer in Hashem will provide. And what that means is God will provide. Yep, God will provide, I swear. And you know what? And the more you give in charity, the more you give when someone needs, right? You get it back so many times over. It's ridiculous. It really is. It really, really is. And oh no, hope you're not coming for me. Oh no. Oh fuck. Mikey Pipes getting pulled over. Oh no. Nope, it's just a fire. Pay attention there, buddy, in your BMW. Come on, pay attention, folks. You thought I was gonna get pulled over, didn't you? Thought I like vehicular traffic law violation. Go Bulldogs. Well, I'm not too far away from the emergency service call. It's literally 2 lights away, right before East Rockaway. So We'll be all right. We will be all right. Yep, sure will. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Enjoyed the Saturday night. I love it. I absolutely love it. It really is good. And Letitia James, the New York State Attorney General. Oh, yeah. Yeah, lying on her mortgage application for favorable rate. Claimed it was her primary residence, even though she's a New York State Attorney General, and got this house in Virginia. Yep. And giving it to her, letting her convict felon niece rent it out. For free, according to the niece, but according to Letitia James, she collected rent revenue. Oh my God. You know what? People in glass stone houses shouldn't throw stones. I'm just saying. You know what? This fat fucking pig that belongs to the Bronx Zoo next to the rhinoceroses, right? Went after the Trump, made up bullshit. Unfucking believable. Anyway, I'm right around the corner. Let me bust this right turn, another one, and let me go fix this guy's heat. Thanks for letting me rant and rave. Appreciate you.